Work hard until your biggest weakness become your greatest strength. Hi, I am Kashif Usman. I am Principal Software Development Engineer at Contour. So I'm thrilled to share my journey at Contour. It's been an incredible year since I started here. Time flies when you are passionate about what you do. Let's start with my role at Contour. I joined Contour back in 2015 as a junior software developer. I was the part of Harris operating group, which comes under the umbrella of Constellation. So during my tenure, I got a chance to switch between different divisions. There are two largest group under the Constellation. Harris, I got a chance to work with Harris and Polaris. And also I'm lucky to got the chance to work in Karachi office and Lahore office and also in Islamabad office. So तीनों ऑफिसेस का एनवायरनमेंट भी देखा और काफ़ी चीज़ें जो है वो बहुत अच्छी लगी डिफरेंट ऑफिसेस की. लाइक कराची की जो वाइब्स हैं वो एक बिल्कुल ही डिफरेंट हैं और अभी रिसेंटली मैं लाहौर ऑफिस में हूँ.
When I first joined Contour back in 2016, so he was the only one in my team. So we paired up in a team called SDA at first, and it was a great experience working with him professionally. He was very strong developer at that time. He knew what he was working and he was very supportive as well. बहुत मज़ा आया उनके साथ काम करने का. His sense of humor was also very good at that time. And then, our relationship started to build. We had a very good friendship. After 2016, in 2017, we moved to another team called Kinetic, where we worked for more than 6 years together. Currently, वो अब अलग team में है, but really a good experience working with him. And as a friend, he was very cooperative. He worked really hard to achieve what he have achieved so far in Contour.
My experience at Contour, it's been a game changer. The best thing is the variety. Under the Constellation umbrella, there are many operating groups which tackling different industry. So being a technical or a technical service provider, you get a chance to work in different module, different environments. बेसिकली मुझे चांस मिला डिफरेंट ऑपरेटिंग ग्रुप के साथ काम करने के लिए. सम पीपल थिंक वर्किंग ऑन ओल्डर सिस्टम मीन्स नो ग्रोथ, बट आई टोटली डिसएग्री विद दिस बिकॉज बीइंग अ डेवलपर मुझे चांस मिला कि डिफरेंट फ्रेमवर्क्स को मॉडर्नाइज करने का, डिफरेंट स्टैंडर्ड्स इम्प्लीमेंट करने का, सिक्योरिटी स्टैंडर्ड्स इम्प्लीमेंट करने का, to achieve the SOC 2 certification. So it's kind of unique growth and Contour commitment to innovation make it possible.
I joined Contour Software in November 2017 और उस वक्त काशिफ was working as a senior developer. उनके साथ relationship was more like a student and a teacher. He was a mentor and a friend to me. And one of the things that I really admired about him was his ability to teach me without making me feel small. And he took his time out to teach me, whether it was related to professional development or related to any general work or even related to my work, which was for SQA. He helped me out to work related to my field as well. I stopped taking part in extracurricular activities and he encouraged me to take a break, go downstairs, play table tennis or anything. And he was the one who taught me how to play table tennis. And to have that patience and teach a newbie how to play table tennis is also what I really admire about him.
What keeps me here is satisfaction. Success isn't mean the only career growth. Instead, it's a fulfilled life. डिफरेंट ओपिनियंस हैं लोगों के. मेरा अपना ओपिनियन ये है कि एक सेटिस्फाइड लाइफ गुजारना कदर बेहतर है, तो मैंने चूज़ किया सेटिस्फाइड लाइफ गुजारना. Why recommend Contour? It's simple. It is place to grow, innovate, thrive, no matter what your background. And I would say if you want to build your satisfying career and professional growth and personal fulfillment, so Contour is the place. Contour software for life.